Hello friends, welcome to our channel Anant Infinite Knowledge. Today's vocabulary based on the names of beer. Our first word is daredevil, which means someone who does dangerous things for enjoyment and doesn't worry about the risk. For example, his daredevil stunts are sure to end in disaster someday. Remember this word by relating these pictures. Our next word is foster, which means to help something to develop over a period of time. For example, this approach will foster an understanding of environment issues. Remember this word by relating these pictures. Our next word is godfather, which means a male godparent. Another meaning is a man who controls a large criminal organization, especially in the mafia. Another meaning is a man who has had a very strong influence in creating something. For example, Mike Jagger, the godfather of rock and roll vocals. Remember this word by relating these pictures. Our next word is hopper, which means a large container that is wider at the top than at the bottom and is used for storing things, especially grains. For example, the company has several new product ideas in the hopper. Remember this word by relating these pictures. Our next word is kingfisher, which means a blue and orange bird that lives near water and eats fish. For example, the kingfisher is found beside every watercourse. Remember this word by relating these pictures. Our next word is pilsner, which means a large beer with a strong hop flavor, originally brewed at Pilsen in the Czech Republic. For example, the hotel itself boasts a Pilsner beer cellar located in its own recently discovered 13th century vaults. Remember this word by relating this picture. Our next word is sandpiper, which means a small bird that lives in the northern part of the world, usually by the sea, and has long legs and a long thin beak. For example, the common sandpiper is found over the greater part of the old world. Remember this word by relating these pictures. Our next word is zingaro, which means a Romani person, particularly one from Italy. For example, hey zingaro, you are here too. Remember this word by relating these pictures. Thank you, friends.